You'd be surprised how many people think a Ford F-150 Key Fob is just a button-pressing gizmo to unlock your truck from the grocery store parking lot. But that tiny piece of plastic is the unsung gatekeeper of modern truck convenience. Lose it, and you're looking at 200 plus and a full day's headache easily. It's seriously easy to take this thing for granted. Until you're standing there in the rain, holding a bag of takeout, and the truck just stares back coldly because your fob battery died. Nearly 1 in 4 truck owners admit losing time due to dead or lost key fobs. Real talk, it happens to everyone at least once. Programming a replacement fob feels like it should require an MIT degree. But Ford actually made it sorta DIY-able. You can program a new F-150 key fob yourself in under 10 minutes, if you have the factory key and the right sequence. That's your money-saving pro tip. Here's the drill. Insert your existing working key into the ignition. Turn it from off to run, not start, 8 times within 10 seconds, ending on run. If you did it right, the doors will lock and unlock, like a little truck dance party moment. Grab your new, unprogrammed key fob. Press any button on it within 20 seconds of that lock-unlock signal. The doors should cycle again. Boom, your new fob is paired. Nice little dopamine rush, 0 dealership markup. Now, the pain point here is losing your fob without a backup. If that happens, most people get hit with a $300 dealership visit. The pro move is to buy a cheap third-party fob, under $50 on Amazon, program it now, and toss it in the junk drawer. F-150 fobs have a secret trick that most owners miss: hidden physical keys. Pop open the plastic housing, and you'll find a tiny emergency key for those tragic battery-dead days. You can use that to unlock the door. No roadside call necessary. If the fob is totally dead and you need to start the truck, slide the emergency key out and check under your cup holders or armrest. Many F-150s have a secret slot that reads the fob chip even with a dead battery. Place the fob in, press the brake, and start up. Ever chase your fob around the house only to find it in the laundry or couch cushions? My advice, a bright-colored grippy silicone cover saves you time and nerves. A $5 solution for daily aggravation. Plus, it cuts down on drop damage by half. A big pain point people don't talk about: winter. If you live in a cold place like, Oregon in January, key fob batteries die fast. Keep a CR2032 coin battery handy in your glove box and swap it yourself. Takes a minute and avoids towing fees. Common fob panic. Hitting the panic button when you're trying to unlock the doors and suddenly your truck turns into a siren. Quick fix? Hold down the unlock button for 3 seconds. It usually silences the alarm. No shame, everyone's done it at least once. Finally, treat your fob like your wallet or phone. Set up a spot for it at home. Attach it to a bright lanyard, maybe even stick a $10 Bluetooth tracker on it. Because even with all these hacks, the #1 way people lose time is a missing fob before work.